Husson is how to become a professional in your career of choice. Husson is how you gain experience and also get a chance to see what your future may look like.
Husson is most definitely preparing me for my career because it just puts in real world problems and that you can solve here and then you can take with you to the jobs that you choose.
The College of Business is the largest college business in the state of Maine, and we're so excited to prepare leaders for the future. In the School of Business and Management, there are several options for business degrees with concentrations. Another option is a financial planning degree. Additionally, students can go on and add an MBA.
I can do my bachelor's and I can get my master's in business administration. It's a 5-year program, so it's only a year extra than just getting your bachelor's. The student to professor ratio is actually pretty small. I've been able to work closely with every single one of my professors during my time here at Husson, which has been very, very helpful. If I have any questions, I can just pop in their office. All of the professors also are very knowledgeable.
The College of Business hires professionals from the real working world so that students can actually see what their job might be like. They will get an education and a long-term commitment to them.
When I do feel like I have a problem, I feel very listened to.
The classrooms in Harold Alphon Hall are technologically advanced. We have the Ronan Center for Financial Technology. Students can collaborate together, interact with the stock market, and other economic technology.
When it comes to internships, professors are very helpful when it comes to that. You're very supported in finding internships.
Internships are such an important part of the curriculum because it really is the experience applied.
My goal leaving Husson University is to be an entrepreneur and to own my own small business one day, and I definitely think Husson's business administration program really sets me up for success.
We have so many resources and opportunities to make you successful that we can't wait for you to join us.